is the main entrance to the Royal Palace.
It's not that far from the Jewish neighborhood. So this is in front. And the palace. This is the oldest one from the 14th century. And still looking probably
A little close up with the doors here. You can see the architecture and all the tiling inlaid there. And up on this side here, in scripture, something up on top there. Yeah. I said this is all handmade on the doors, and they polished this with lemon juice here, so you can see. All nice in here. All brass in here. This is looking in back from the main entrance to the palace, and then if we turn around here, we're going to see right up here where we were there, standing there. So we got flags up on top. Part of our group is over there. I'm right here in front of the main gate, so we just had a group photo done here. So everybody's happy, the sun's out, it's a little bit of warm. I'll put the name down at the bottom here so you can see it later, but yeah, we're still here. Subscribers would always be welcome here. So yeah, we got to move on with the rest of the tour now, so we got to go. All right, bye-bye.